Hey guys, Justin here. In this video we'll be going over leveraged trading. So what is leveraged trading? Leveraged trading is using somebody else's money as part of an investment. So it basically allows you to borrow money in a leveraged kind of in proportion to the amount of money that you put up. So you can borrow 5 times your money, 10 times your money, 25 times your money, and sometimes even 100 times your money. This is usually for trading long and short positions. Right now we're going to be doing it on crypto. So that would be doing leverage trading on a coin maybe like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and borrowing money to then either buy or sell Bitcoin in order to make some money. So basically where I'm starting here is at coinmarketcap.com/rankings/exchanges. And right now we're going to be looking at the top exchanges that offer leverage trading. So one key thing to note here is the liquidity. So some exchanges have more liquidity than others, and what that's going to do is it's going to factor into your trading. So the more liquidity that an exchange has, the better rate that you'll get when you buy and sell. You'll also have better fills on your orders. There'll be more people with liquidity buying and selling to then fill your orders successfully. So when we're trading, we do need to fill our orders. That's how we're going to make money. Sometimes when it's at its highest or at its lowest, there can be a lot of competition. So we really need an exchange with good liquidity because we want our orders to go through. We want our orders to fill. So here we're looking on CoinMarketCap, the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, and I've actually organized it here by average liquidity. So there's so many different exchanges, but right now we're going to organize it by liquidity and see which exchanges have the best liquidity. Now, this is going to vary based on your country. Not all exchanges are going to be available in your country. For example, at this time, Binance is not available in Canada. I think Kraken is also not available in the US. Or, please check these exchanges out because their policies change all the time. Sometimes they allow a country and then they don't, and then vice versa. So you can see these are some of the largest exchanges. They have crazy volume here. Weekly visits, different coins and stuff like that. But what really matters right now is the liquidity, which is going to get you the best pricing on your orders and fills and all that good stuff. And you don't want to trade on an exchange that has really low liquidity because, you may get stuck holding a coin that you didn't want to hold that long. But it's only because there are no buyers on the exchange that are buying from you. So you may get stuck holding certain coins, or you may put in an order at a certain price and only get filled at a higher or lower price than that. You might not get exact pricing, but with more liquidity, there's a higher chance that people are selling at that exact price. So once again, please go ahead and check out these exchanges. They all offer leverage trading. FTX offers leverage trading, Coinbase, Binance, of course. Gemini here has liquidity. They're a big exchange. Qcoin offers leverage trading. And you got so many more here that you can. Bybit is great. They also have some stop loss, kind of trailing stop loss that some exchanges don't have, which is a great tool to have in your leverage trading. We always want to trade safely. So go down and you can see there's so many different exchanges here that you can check out. Gate.io is pretty big as well. You got Huobi here, but Huobi doesn't have the best liquidity. So once again, we want to kind of stick to the top here. FTX, Kraken, Binance. I also think Qcoin here has decent liquidity. They're also available in a lot of countries. So if you're watching this and the first 3 here aren't available in your country for whatever reason, you could always use Qcoin, and I know that it works where I am, which is in Canada. It also works in the US. A lot of these top ones work in the US as well, but for me, I had to use KuCoin. So you would basically come here, click it, and go over to their website.